Okay, so I figured I should talk about how I discovered carnivore and my journey so far. So I made this journal when I was first starting, and I'm glad I did, and I highly recommend it. So I started, I think I learned about carnivore maybe May, June of 2022, and I was just slowly upping my protein and fat. So I started off by kind of doing my writing my why, and I just like going back and looking at it. So my husband was my boyfriend at the time, and we wanted kids, and I'm like, I'm doing this because when the time comes, I want to be at a better weight. I want to be healthy. I was watching some of the doctors on YouTube. I really enjoyed watching the YouTube videos of Dr. Tim Berry and Anthony Chafee, Dr. Chafee, and a lot of other people in the carnivore space. And at that point, Dr. Berry's wife, Nisha, was pregnant with their baby girl, and I was like, oh, goals. I want to be able to have a carnivore pregnancy in a couple years. So I'm working on myself to be at a good point. So that's something I kind of wrote my why. And then I have a note for July 15th of 2022, these are issues I'm having. My knees hurt, I had a pain in my heel, brain fog, the eye floaties. I work at a computer, so looking at screens, I feel like I'm just looking from my computer to my phone to a TV. My eyes are hurting, and I do wear my blue light glasses, but I highly recommend writing your issues. Right here, my right shoulder was hurting, and looking back, that was over 2 years ago. I remember that, but I totally forgotten about it. So then I just kind of start writing it as a journal. Put some weights in. I did some measurements, and I tried to write every day, at least what my food was. That way I can go back and I can look at it and say, okay, this is what I was eating. How's that messing with my weight? Do I need to change something? But just a, little overview. That way I can look back at it. So that's just the beginning. I'll make more parts.